If you don't like wasting time but still need stellar marketing, then watch this. When you type marketing near me, the results can be overwhelming. So how do you choose the right one? First, identify your business's unique needs. Do you need a snazzy new website, eye-catching print materials, or a social media makeover? Each agency has its own specialty. Web design agencies craft visually stunning, user-friendly websites. Print marketing shops create memorable brochures and business cards. And social media gurus? They boost your online presence and engagement. But here's the kicker. A full-service agency, like StreamNow Creative, offers it all, ensuring your marketing channels work seamlessly together. This holistic approach drives growth and aligns your marketing efforts with your business goals. So, next time you search marketing near me, remember, clarity and specialization are key. Find the right fit and watch your business thrive.